Hello friends, now I shall discuss about 5 benefits of dragon fruits. I hope you will be benefited listening this video. Number 1, dragon fruit contains vitamin C and antioxidants which help us to boost immunity. Number 2, dragon fruit contains calcium and iron which help us to maintain good bone health. Number 3, dragon fruit is rich in beta carotene which help us to maintain good eye health. Number 4, dragon fruit is rich in fiber which help us in digestion and relieves constipation. Number 5, dragon fruit contains omega 3 fatty acid and monosaturated fat which help us to reduce the risk of heart disease.